Assalamualaikum listeners, welcome to my channel Translation Studies by Taiba. How are you? I am fine. Listeners, the topic of my this video is research proposal. Basically today I am going to tell you about that what is research proposal and what are the basic elements of a research proposal. First of all, I am going to telling you about research proposal. Listeners, research proposal is a combined or the research study on a specific topic. The researcher have to choose a topic of own interest, and he or she will apply his or her full efforts to draw the basic conclusions about a topic. The researcher is responsible to find out the literature about that topic and create a gap for his own study. So here I am going to tell you about the basic contents or elements of a proper or successful research proposal. Yes, listeners, the basic contents of a research proposal are 10 in my point of view in the Pakistan. So these contents of a research proposal are as: number 1 is acknowledgement, number 2 is abstract, number 3 is introduction, number 4 is literature review. Number 5 is research methodology. Number 6 is data discussion. Number 7 is findings. So, number 8 is conclusion. Number 9 is references. And the last point is appendices. So, listeners, I have tell you about the 10 main contents or elements of a research proposal. So now I am going to tell you about a brief introduction about 10 of these contents of a research proposal. First one is the acknowledgement. Listeners, acknowledgement means that the researcher is going to credit his work to someone special. Someone special means that maybe the friends, maybe brothers, sisters, parents, or the teachers of the researcher. Number 2 is the abstract. Listeners, abstract is the shortest summary of your whole research proposal. The researcher will combine almost 250 words to describe his whole research proposal. He will write down the one single line the 10 about the 10 elements of his research proposal. Number 3 is the introduction. Listeners, introduction is comprises of 4 further elements. Number 1 is the scope of your study. Number 2 is the significance of your study. Number 3 is aims and objectives of the study. Next one is the research questions, structure of the study, as well as introduction to your data. These all the main sub contents are included in the introduction of your research proposal. Number 4 is a literature review. Listeners, in the literature review, the researcher describes all the previous works about the chosen topic of research. Number 5 is the research methodology. Listeners, research methodology is further divided into 3 subsections. Number 1 is data collection. The researcher will describe that how he will going to collect his data for the research purpose. Number 2 is the research framework. Number 3 is the data analysis. Number 6 point is data discussion. In the part of the data discussion, the researcher will describe the examples from the data with the help of the research framework. These examples may be 40 or up to 50 or the 60. Basically, it depends upon the capacity of the researcher. Number 7 is the findings. Listeners, findings means that the researcher will provide the answers to his selected or the drawn research questions. The researcher choose either 2 research questions or the 3 research questions. So he will in a sequence wise provide the answers to his research questions. Number 8 is the conclusion. Listeners, conclusions of any research is comprises of the 2 main subsections. Number 1 is the limitations. Number 2 is the future directions. Listeners, in the limitation, the researcher describes the limits or the limitations of his research. Number 2 is the future direction. The researcher will describe that I am going to done this research in this side, but in the future the newcomers or the new researchers will done the research on this topic in the multiple other directions. Number 9 is the references. Listeners, it is a very necessary for the researcher to provide the references at the end of his research proposal. References means the sources from which the researcher selects the data. Number 10 is appendices. Listeners, at the end of the research proposal or in the last element or the content of a research proposal, the listeners provide the researcher is responsible for providing the appendices. Appendices means number 1 is plagiarism report. Listeners, now you are thinking that what is plagiarism? Plagiarism is a check of your study, that you will check that either the work of the researcher is plagiarized or not plagiarized. Plagiarized means the concept of theft. Either the researcher copy paste the data from any other sources or write it in own ways or in own unique language. So this is the plagiarism report. Number 2 is the abbreviations. Listeners, when you are going to conduct any research, the research may must be a combine of the many abbreviation words, like as I'm a translator and I'm going to use some specific word like source tax. So I'm going to use instead of source tax, I will use st, and target tax I will use tt. These are the abbreviations of any research. So thank you so much for your listening. Allah Hafiz.